Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Pumi. I'm a South African working living in South Korea. For all my returning subscribers, you guys, I really appreciate your support. And if it's your first time to be on my channel, you are welcome. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that next time when I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. A little bit introduction on the content creator on TikTok. If you haven't come across with my TikTok, my username is Pumi. Oh, I will also put it on your screen so that you check it out. On this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I reach 500k in 2 months. Just 2 months. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Like I said, I'm going to be sharing info how I grow on TikTok in just 2 months. I joined TikTok July 2020. I forgot the date. So I was just bored, there was COVID and everything. So I was like, let me just be on TikTok. So I registered my TikTok account. I tried to do like some videos, but I got 0 view, zero like. Oh my god, I was like, nah, this is not for me. And then when I check other people's on TikTok, like there's so many views, this likes, the comment. I was like, this is not for me. I just give up. Like I was like, the other day I was like, no, let me post another one. Maybe I will have views and I will gain followers. Nothing. So I was like, no, let me just continue watching the videos, what other people are posting. Let me just continue doing that, right? So the first video I post, I got 0 view, which means 0 like, 0 follower. I was like, no, this is not for me. I will just continue watching the videos, right? So then when time goes on, I started like posting, then I will get like 2 views, 1 like, and it really like, oh, okay, people are now liking my thing, right? So I continue like posting. Then I went, I think 2021, I give up completely. I was like, no, this is not for me. People, they don't even follow, they don't even like, I'm not trending. Where other people's video are trending, mine are not trending. So I just stopped. I was like, no, let me just focus on Facebook. I'll just write whatever I'm writing. People, they will comment. I will see the comment. I felt love I felt the love on Facebook, even on Instagram, but on TikTok, no. I was like, no, this is not for me. Fine, I just stopped. So I went back on TikTok last year. Yeah, last year, 2022. Then started posting. Then I was getting like, the view was better, but the followers, I was not gaining followers, and I was following people back. Yeah, I was going to people's life, follow, like all those kind of thing. I was doing everything, right? So to cut all the story short, 2022, I was sitting at 5,000k followers. So it was not impressing me because my followers used to be going down. I couldn't understand why is it going down. What is it that I'm doing wrong for my followers to go down, for the numbers to go down? Like, guys, people, they were following, right? Because I used to go on people live stream where they are growing people's account, and I will be sending gifts, people, they will follow back and forth, but it was going down. I was like, you know what? No, I'm going back to Facebook. I went back to Facebook start posting my stuff over there, like just some jokes, and people were really engaging well to my post. So this year 2023, I went back on TikTok, just started watching people's video again. People watching videos, like I've been enjoying like the trending music, people how they are dancing, and I'm like, for me, you cannot dance. Then I posted one video about something that was going on in South Korea. My video was doing well, and when I checked, it was mostly South Africans who were like following, liking. This year 2023, I went back to TikTok, like I said. So I was like, you need to make a videos, post videos. I started posting videos. Some I was reposting, right? I still have the videos, so I just posted them, make a trendy music. It was getting like maybe 200 views, 300 views, 700 views. Like I was impressed because it was my first time seeing, oh, it's going there, right? So I was like, you know what, step by step, do not give up, just keep on going, right? Then I started going to other people's life where they are growing accounts, people they will follow back. So I remember one day I woke up, my followers, it was 10K. That's where everything started. When I was on 10K that day, I posted like 4 videos because I was excited. I posted like 4 videos in the morning, 4 videos in the afternoon, 4 videos in the evening. Guys, trust me, when I woke up the next day, I woke up sitting at 20K followers. But one thing now, what are you going to do next? They like your videos, right? Fine. I sat down, asked myself, what are you gonna do next? People, they like you now. You have followers, so you need to give them something for them to stay. You need to do something to attract more followers, to get more views, likes, rah. So 1st of September this year 2023, I woke up, went and cut my hair. After I cut my hair, I was like, why not post this video on your TikTok, right? So I just took a video like showing my hairstyle and stuff with a trending song. Trust me, that video went viral, guys. It went viral. I was shocked with how my views and the likes, the followers, guys, trust me, I was sitting around 20K, right? Within a week, I was on like 35K in 1 week. I gained so many followers, the views, the likes. Guys, I was so excited. I was like, no, Pumi, you need to do something. Give them something that will blow their mind now. Blow their mind, girl. So I then asked myself, what exactly are you going to do next on TikTok? And it have to be something that I like to avoid slacking back, right? So I was like, girl, you speak so many languages, so why not make a video speaking one of the languages? So that day I was with my Uganda friend here in Korea. So I was like, no, I will make a video speaking Uganda. I want to see her reaction. Trust me, I went on Google, tried to translate English to Luganda language. It was easy for me to read, so I was like, oh, I understand obviously what they're saying, so why not make a video about this language? I went on TikTok, guys, make a video speaking Luganda, flowing with Luganda. Me, I make a video, guys, the followers, the likes, the comment, everybody was like, oh, can you please make a video speaking this so language for me? Can you do video speaking this language? I was like, wow, how many language am I going to speak now? I was like, you know what, I got this. I love it. I would do it. It's something that I like. I went on Google, translate the language, read, understand, went on YouTube, type how to learn so language for me to understand the accent and yeah, and the pronunciation, right? I went and learned, like, you know what, I was like, Pumi, you can do this. This is what you love, girl. Do it. So I started doing videos speaking different languages. Some languages I didn't know because I was not even learning the language, so I have to do my research through Google Translate, on YouTube. So yeah, I get to understand the accent, the pronunciation, and to read, right? So it was easy for me to do it. And I mean, it's African languages, it's similar to South African language. Then I started doing also South African languages. So now I gain followers from different angles, you know. Yeah. Advice to you all, if you want to grow your TikTok account, is choose a niche that you love. Do something that you love. Do something you enjoy. Trust me, you will enjoy your TikTok. You will enjoy your social media. But if you're doing something you don't like because you just want to gain followers, you will slack back. And we don't need that. You need to choose something that you like, something you enjoy, something that you can wake up in the middle of the night and take your phone and still record, you know? Yeah. Number 2, post around 4 videos every day. It helps to gain the likes, the followers, and the view, right? Number 3, use the trending hashtags. Do not post your video without the hashtags. Trust me, it helps to reach more audience, right? Number 4, use trending song on TikTok. Trust me, you will blow your account up. Number 5, do the trending challenge on TikTok. It will help your account to grow because it will reach more audience. Some people, they might like how you are doing it. They will follow you. They will like your video. It's engagement on your videos. Guys, when people comment on your videos, reply their comment. Reply on their comment. And also ask them on the comment section what they want to see you doing. You can ask them what they want to see next you doing, right? The last one, I will have to do a separate video because it's gonna take long. I don't want to waste you guys time. It's about money, making money on TikTok. I will make a separate video. Thank you for watching. We have come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that next time when I drop a video, you'll be the first to be notified. And my next video is going to be about making money on TikTok. I know that's what you want to hear. So subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell so that when I drop this video about making money on TikTok, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching. Much love from me, Pumi. See you on my next video. Bye.